Describing people presentation by Rosa Hoyos. My cousin Natalia, my sister Maria Isabel, my cousin Karen, my best friend Melissa. My sister Maria Isabel. She is 6 years old. She is short and she has the beautiful hair. She likes studying and she likes English, but she doesn't like math. She's so cute. My cousin Natalia. She is 24 years. She is a great person. I love that she loves Marvel movies, but she doesn't games movies. She has a black hair. She is tall and she's adorable. She has the Scotch. My best friend Melissa. She is Amazon person. She is student 5 years. She has black the hair and the blacks. This is the love. Soccer as the James. Packets is fall. She's comedy is article. She's kins is the fraud. Sport. She is the friend is engineer. My cousin Karen. My cousin Karen, she is 4 years old. She has the white skin, has black hair, is beautiful. She is teacher. She is girls because she her passion. She tries to be lazy, show strict. She is nice person. Thank you so much.